Namaste, this is Ramesh Naidu from Target School. Now, linear equations in one variable, part 1. In this part 1, we discuss about linear equation and a simple equation and a solution of simple equations. Yes, first go for what is the definition of linear equation. So, linear equation, first degree equations are called linear equations. The equations having degree 1 are called linear equations. For example, first degree equations 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. Here degree is 1. So its degree is 1. So it is called linear equation. Okay. And the next example, x plus y is equal to 12. It is also linear equation. Its degree also 1. Okay. So generally linear equations represent a straight line in the graph sheet. So they are called linear equation. Every linear equation degree is 1. Okay, and some more examples. 2x plus 7 is equal to 12. It is also linear equation. Its degree is 1. And the next example, 4x plus 7y is equal to 21. It is also linear equations. Okay. So in this way, we can write many more linear equations. Next, go for second definition, simple equations. Yes, it is a very easy definition. What is the meaning of simple equation? Very simple. In linear equations, these are linear equations. It is linear equation in one variable, okay? But it is in two variables, x and y, okay? So here also, it is linear equation in one variable. It is two variables. So, linear equations in one variable are called simple equations. Yes, linear equations in one variable are called simple equations. So, simple equations having only one variable. Okay. So, for example, y plus 1 is equal to 0. So, it is linear equation in one variable, that is y. It is simple equation. Okay. Linear equations in one variable are called simple equations. And one more example, 2x plus 7 equal to 21. It is also simple equation. So this equation having only one variable. And one more example, x plus 7 is equal to 2x plus y. It is also, 2x plus 6. It is also linear equation in one variable. Here the variable is x. X is same. Okay, it is linear equation in one variable. And some more examples. 4x minus 10 is equal to 0. It is also linear equation in one variable. Okay. So the general form of linear equation in one variable means a simple equation is ax plus b is equal to 0. Here a, b are real numbers. A comma b belongs to real numbers. And x is variable. Okay, so this is the general form of simple equation, ax plus b equal to 0. Next, go for third topic, solution of simple equation. So what is the solution of simple equation? So it is also very easy, right? Take an example. Let me do an example. Come on, let us take any example. 2x plus 4 is equal to 10. So it is simple equation because here x is only one variable. It is linear equation in one variable x. So it is called simple equation. So what is the solution of this simple equation? So for what value of x? For what value of x? The linear equation is satisfied, means LHS is equal to RHS, then the variable value is called solution of this simple equation. So how we solve this simple equation? So by using transposition rule, So here we want to find x only. Okay, 2x is equal to 10. Yes, here plus 4 is an integer. So first of all, we transfer from left to right. If we transfer terms from left to right, here the symbols will change. Okay, here it is plus 4. plus 4 will become minus 4. So according to transposition rule, plus value will become minus and minus value will become plus, and into is divided by will become into. Yes, in transposition rule we have to change sign like this. Okay, so here we want to find x only. Now plus 4 transfer from left to right. So after transforming 4, plus 4 will become minus 4. Okay, so 2x equal to 10 minus 4, 6. So here we want x only. Here 2 into x. 2 is multiplied with x. So 2 into. So into will become divided by. We know very well. After transforming 2 from left to right, 2 will become by 2. Okay. 2 ones are 2 threes are x equal to 3. So this is the solution of this simple equation 2x plus 4 is equal to 10. So in doing verification, so put x equal to 3 in given simple equation. 2x plus 4 equal to 10. 2x plus 4 is equal to 10. So put x equal to 3. X equal to 3. 2 into 3 plus 4 is equal to 0. Sorry, 10. 2 3s are 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. 6 plus 4, 10 is equal to 10. So it is satisfied, right? So in verification, first of all, you should take a given simple equation 2x plus 4 equal to 10. Right here, 2x plus 4 is equal to 10. Now substitute x equal to 3 here. 2x means 2 into x. 2 into 3 plus 4. 2 3 is 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 is equal to 10. So it is verified. So x equal to 3 is the one solution of linear equation. So generally, every linear equation has only one solution. Keep in your mind. Let me do one more example. Solve 7x minus 10 is equal to 2x plus 10. Okay, this is the simple equation in one variable, that is x. Here variable is on both sides. It is in LHS side and it is in RHS side. Now separate them. 7x, yes, plus 2x transfer from right to left, it will become, it is plus 2x, it will become minus 2x is equal to, right, 10 as is, and minus 10 left side, minus 10 after transforming from left to right, it will become plus 10. Okay, 7x minus 2x, 7x and 2x are like terms, so we can subtract easily. 7x minus 2x, 5x, that is equal to 10 plus 10, 20. Now x equal to 20. Here 5 is multiplied with x. So 5 into. So 5 after transforming it will become by 5. 5 ones are 5 fours are. X equal to 4. So 4 is its solution. Okay. So in verification, now substitute x equal to 4 in the given equation. Okay. If LHS equal to RHS, then it's a solution. Otherwise, it is not solution. First write the simple equation, given simple equation. 7x minus 10 is equal to 2x plus 10. So put x equal to 4. 7 into 4 minus 10 is equal to 2 into 4 plus 10. 7 fours are 28 minus 10 is equal to 2 fours are 8 plus 10. 28 minus 10, 18 is equal to 8 plus 10, 18. So LHS equal to RHS. It is verified. Okay. Yes. Now homework problems for you. The first one, solve 4x plus 7 equal to 18 and 7x minus 1 is equal to 6x plus 12 and 10p, here p is variable, 10p minus 12 is equal to 18p minus 12. Okay, so here one thing, 0 by anything is equal to 0. Okay, and 0 into anything is equal to 0. So here x is any number other than here in this, here x not equal to 0. Okay, except 0, 0 by anything is 0, 0 into anything is 0. Here x is any number. Okay, keep in your mind.